Introduction. Web design has significantly evolved over the years, with CSS playing a key role. CSS enables creation of rounded corners, traditionally requiring images or JavaScript. CSS3 introduced the border radius property, enabling easy creation of rounded corners. Understanding the border radius property, the border radius property is the key to creating CSS rounded corners. This property allows developers to add rounded borders to an element. It can take one or two values, one for the horizontal radius and the optional second one for the vertical radius. Code example, basic border radius. You can create a class with a border radius of 10 px on all four corners. Individual corner radius can be specified using border top left radius, border top right radius, border bottom right radius, and border bottom left radius properties. Tips and tricks. You can use percentage values with the border radius property to create circles and ellipses. A value of 50% will create a perfect circle if the width and height of the box are equal. For applying different values to each corner of the box, you can use the shorthand syntax of the border radius property. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Ignoring browser compatibility, some older versions do not support the border radius property. Use vendor prefixes such as WebKit for Safari and Chrome and Moz for Firefox. For getting units, remember to include px, %, etc. after the numerical value when specifying the border radius. Misusing border radius with borders. The border radius doesn't affect the actual border's corner, but the element's corner. If your border's width is greater than your border radius, the rounded corner will be hidden by the border. Conclusion: creating rounded corners with CSS enhances the aesthetics of your web designs. CSS rounded corners are versatile, easy to implement, and supported by most modern web browsers. Remember to check for browser compatibility, always include units of measurement, and consider the effect of borders when using the border radius property.